It's here. You already saw the title, but it's here. The Sony A7III. I said it was here, but it's not here. It's in Memphis. Okay. Here it is. Let's open this thing up. I'm so excited. Don't need the paperwork. Crappy strap. Wall charger. Battery. Plug. So this camera does not come with a charger, and I think that is the stupidest thing that anyone could have ever done as far as a camera company goes. Okay. Yeah. So I think that's it. It feels so good. Okay. I'm stoked. Let's put an adapter on this lens and get it going. Sigma MC11 adapter. Obviously haven't got to try it out. Actually, no, that's not true. I tried it out on my friend's A6300 and it works pretty good on there, but this one is supposed to be even better with it, so... Ooh, wait. Get a look at that sensor real quick. Look at that. Okay, sorry. Okay. Whew. It's quick. So I've been playing with the camera for a few days. It's awesome. I love every bit of it. I can't figure out the autofocus tracking though. I don't know if it's because I'm adapting a Canon lens and it just won't let me, or if I need to have a Metabones adapter instead of a Sigma. I don't know, but in the future, my plans are to go full Sony glass anyway, so I'm not too upset about it, but I would like to have tracking, especially last night I went to a drift event and autofocus tracking when taking photos would have been amazing. So if you know if the Metabones adapter is the answer or if you have to go full Sony glass, let me know down in the comments. I would really like to know that. The other thing, the 120p is amazing. So I'm coming from a Canon T6i and the 60 frames a second is in 720. So I'm not even used to shooting slow motion like ever, and if I do, it just looks like crap. So having 120p at 1080 and 24 and 30 at 4K is just awesome. So one little test I did just with some good lighting, 120p at lunch today. Here you go. I also wanted to test out the dynamic range of this camera. I know it's awesome. There's reviews all over the place saying it's amazing. I'm curious in this setting right now. I'm in the shade. This is blown out back here. And I just want to see the difference between this, where I've turned the contrast and saturation down in a picture profile, and actual S-Log2. So everything from this moment on is on the Sony. 16-35 Canon lens, and full frame Sony A7III. So like I was saying, dynamic range. I'm shooting an S-Log2. I am at 1000 ISO, f11, and 1/50th of a second in 4K. The benefit of 4K, obviously, is that I can punch in, punch out, have 2 different camera angles, and it's just awesome. So this is the dynamic range test. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Unboxing, some test shots, some sample footage. If you guys are looking for a full frame mirrorless camera, or not even a mirrorless camera, but you need 4K, you need 120p, you need an amazing all-around package for photos, videos, this is the camera. I've only had it for 3 days, 2 days actually, but this is an amazing camera and I really love it. Thanks for watching. Oh, okay, so one more thing I forgot to mention. The battery life on this thing is insane. I've had it for 3 days, basically 3 days. I've shot a drift event, I've shot this video, I've shot random B-roll, 120p, 4K, 60p. I'm still at 20% battery. That is ridiculous. Okay, bye.